What's up guys, welcome to another Blue Rise video. Sorry for not uploading for a while. This was 7 days ago, sorry, but today was like my birthday party, so yeah, happy birthday to me. No. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a Cuphead game. This is the first step, like, this is gonna be a series. So, in the finishing product, it might look like something like this. Okay. Today we're not gonna do all of that instantly. I'll slow down a bit. So first of all, we have to name this thing. I'm gonna call it Cuphead Story. Simple enough. Now we have to get a sprite. You can make anything, but for now I'm gonna be deleting the cat and make my own. I'm gonna make my own guy. I'm gonna make I'm just gonna be. I'm gonna make him like 2D drawn. And oh my god, that counts weird. I have to erase it a bit. Eraser. Okay, so I'm kind of done. I really like that. Wanted. Right, is this still? Oh, there. This stick. Oh, does. Okay, so I'll have to. So I. Okay, I'm just gonna. This might take a while. Okay, so boom, I'm done. Like you can do anything you want in here. I'm just gonna make a little face. I'm gonna call him Peep. Yeah, I'm gonna call this guy Peep. Also, make sure to get the. Also, if you want to get hands, you could do something else, but I'm just doing this little Uber because I can. Okay, then the second one. I'm gonna. So the reason why I'm making two costumes, and you have to make two costumes, by the way. So this is the idle animation, basically. This is gonna be one of the tutorials. This is gonna be one of the. This is what you're gonna learn, guys. This is gonna be like useful because I mean, Cuphead has an idle animation, but look at that. Well, that is very wrong. Well, I know. Oh, um, I'm just gonna cut off his legs. Oh, and then we do it. Boom, we have it. Boom, 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 boom. So we have auto animation, and also, then that one. I also want to do this, but shininess. Shininess is like very important. So I can see we got our character. You can just kind of. Actually, don't scale them down. Yeah, you can use the size for that if you wanna. So I'm gonna okay. So you got people here. Does idle animation? Does idle animation? Okay, now to make it work. So first we want like his idle animation to do it. Okay, so I made an idle animation for Pete, but wait, we're not done yet. So for now I'm gonna put him 0, 0. So now I'm gonna call this thing. Now I'm gonna make a sprite called floor hitbox. Floor hitbox. Okay, so you can use any color, but don't make this like your actual floor designer. It'll do it. So I'm gonna be using a red because most hitboxes are like that. They're like the red. So I'm gonna put this at 0. 0. So we have our floor hitbox, peep, and boom. Also for this code, make it that what is 0 0. Actually same thing here. Actually no, never mind. Go 0 0 forever. Set ghostness to 100. So basically when you open the game, it's not there. Perfect. Good. So now we're gonna be making a real box. You don't just call this thing floor or anything you want. I'm just gonna be calling this thing floor because for simplicity's sake, I'm gonna be making this one moon. I actually be more okay, so if you want you could do like a bushy place. So let's check it out. Oops, forgot about that. Just make it do this and boom, we got our ground. Now we can just put our peep over here. Actually, now it's time to change this up. Let's see, 87. Yep, that's perfect. 87 is perfect for me. We might have to change it a little bit, but I mean, it's okay. So now we're going to be making gravity. Okay? So first of all, so we have to find what. Can I have that one? Wait, sorry guys. Oh, fine. Okay, so this is going to be our code. So we got people over here. So if green flag clicked, go to these coordinates forever. And then now we're just gonna delete my variable because that one sucks. Why okay. Set this to this sprite only and put in y velocity. This basically means gravity. So we got peep y velocity. So set this to 0. Okay, so if else I think. Yeah, if else. If else touching floor hitbox, not floor itself. Floor hitbox, yeah. Yeah, if touching floor hitbox and floor, this thing says floor because there's no hitbox in this. Floor hitbox, okay. Set velocity to 0. So basically, if peep over here touches the ground, this thing will set to 0, don't do ready to 0. Else, change variable, but as you can see here, it's going down rapidly. But and also we have to change y change y velocity. As you can see here, he just boom, just stands there. But as you can see here, his he kind of clips to the ground, and you don't want that. Also, like completely, you know, actually, never mind that. I saw that keeps other foot, you know, to line up. This like right foot to line up. This left foot, so I'm just gonna no, actually it's wrong. Boom, boom. So we got peep. I just like doing this. It's nice. Hey, 87. There we go. 87. And then also I have to do something else. So to fix this, when you go here, if touching floor hitbox, yeah, go to my blocks, make a block colon uh, gravity fix. Run without screen refresh. This is important. Then boom. So now it kind of does nothing, as you can see it, but this is where gravity fix comes in. So you basically do change one, change y by one. Repeat until not touching for the box. And change by one. Then over here. And you know what this does? Boom! It perfectly fits in here. Yeah. Awesome. I don't get it. Why isn't this? Why isn't this? I need to fix and peeps like I don't know why. I just feel like I should. Should I? That? Okay, sorry, Pete, but I have to fix your leg. The thing, but also, by the way, make the feet line up perfectly so it can, so we'll do like this. Also, you could name it, but I'm fine. I'm not gonna name it. Okay, now it is time for walking. As you can see here, the player moves smoothly. You have to replicate that. Okay. So we have to make another new variable, xv. And by the way, there are multiple variables in this tutorial, so yeah. Okay. So, when green flag is clicked, set x velocity to 0 forever. If you press right arrow or any key you want, right arrow is nice. Okay. Change x velocity by 3. Point. Also, this is a. What did I do? Oh no. Oops. Oh yeah. Also, by the way, what the direction? Go press this thing. Okay. Make sure to do that. X velocity. Wait. Point direction 90. Can't miss that. Okay, so I got him. Point direction 90. Just duplicate this. Turn this to left arrow. -3 and -9. If you're wondering what this did, see, as you can see, our character faces directions. B. But we don't move yet. So you just put change x by our x velocity. Although there's a problem. Our character won't stop moving if you press the right button. There is a fix to this, by the way. There is. So as you can see here, set x velocity by this x velocity by 0.8. If you really want the smooth movement code. It's in one of my. I'll put a link in the description. So yep, this is how it works. We are moving. We're moving. Because I think it's time to add a background. Yeah, I should. I'm gonna make it a nice sky. Nice blue sky. Oh, so we got people over here, but also you're wondering, what about the idle animation I was talking about? Well, we gotta do it. Also, we have to also make, also completely optional, but make a few, also make a walking animation. This will become very much important later. So as you can see here, so make any you know, make any animation you want. Like seriously, any. Do it. This look weird, guys. Okay, I'm gonna keep this. Also, you should definitely name this. Name these so the peep idle. Keep idle. Two peep what? Keep peep what two. So yeah, boom. Da, 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 da. Now I make another new variable. We're gonna call this thing walk. This walking. We're gonna make another new variable. Put this here. For this thing, we can put in these, yeah. Walk to one. As you can see here. Also, wait. Also, I'm gonna take this. Oh, oh man, I probably gonna. Oh, read all these. Let me read these. Okay. So I'm gonna put this. This is, don't freak out because don't worry. This is like, this is the code. It's super simple. Now we have to make it to, so now we have to check which one. Huh. I'm just gonna put that. Anyways, as you can see here, we have people over here, and look at this. As you can see here, if you look closely, the thing turns to one. That is what we need. Okay. So, okay, hopefully this part works because for many times this part did not work for me, but who knows? Maybe it might change this part. So green flag clicked forever. If double do this, and if walk equals one, if walk equals one, you can do this. Keep walk normally. Wait 0.1 seconds. Okay, then switch to walk 2. So, okay, else, peep idle 2. Hopefully this works. Oops, sorry guys, Made a mistake here. See, boom! He has idle animation, yay! Do look at it! Let's go! It works! So now it looks like an actual character. Yeah. Let's go. So as you can see, he walks like a normal cartoon character. He looks like a normal. So yeah, I think. Also, forgot to do this very long time ago. Um, if uh, if space pressed, okay, set um YV to go. So now he is basically a cartoon character. We made him into Cuphead. He can jump. He can walk. See, look, he has an idle animation. He has a running animation. He's basically a real life cartoon character. Okay, okay, we're done. We're done for this episode. Hope you all guys enjoyed this goofy little project of mine. It's easy, I mean kinda easy for me. Yeah. This is how you make a Cuphead game in Scratch. This is the first episode. There will be many more episodes. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, next episode we'll do to make the character shoot, like in Cuphead. Like if you don't understand, see. uh, So if you don't understand Cuphead, here it is. Like, wait, Cuphead. What? See, like this. Like how. See, we're gonna do the shooting like how Cuphead does in the game. Like pew pew pew. Yeah. We're gonna be doing this next time. See y'all next time. And as you guys know it, it's Blue Raz out.